working with blogs, how to add and edit pages. Alright, so right now I'm in my General Configurations tab. I want to go to the Pages tab. Click here. Okay, so fairly simple. We're going to come here to plus new page or add new page button. Alright, so here is where you can configure the title. So let's say I want to do say a contact page. Contact. And I'm just going to press save for now. And now I want to come back, get out of here, come back to my Pages tab. And here I can come and edit my contact. Okay, so on this page, the first thing you'll see is these three different options. One, you can hide, choose whether you want to hide the sidebar here, or you can hide the title if you want, or you can even make this your home page as well. Okay, so I'm going to keep everything constant how it is. Now the next thing I want to do is I can add a container so I can start building my page, because as of right now we have a blank slate. So let's come here, add a container, and then we want to add a grid. So come here and choose whatever you like. Just for tutorial purposes to make it simple, choose 100%. And then I want to add content here. So what I want to do first is I'm going to add text, and this is going to be contact us. Or we can do something like send us an email. Okay, and continue. Or actually, let me see it. Go back here, make this a little bit bigger so we can see it better. So come here, and I'm going to put heading 2. And now we can continue. Okay, then I'm going to get out of here, and I'm going to add something else. I'm going to add a contact form. Alright, so this is your preview of your contact form, how it's going to look. Alright, and this is how you change things. So the email destination, this is going to be where they send the email to. This is going to be the color of your button, so you can select here. You can make it black, you can make it whatever you want. Slide that, you can even choose a transparency. Alright, so I'm going to just make it all the way black. The front color of the button, okay, we can change that as well. Alright, and then we can do the hover, all of that. Now, let's continue. Cool. Alright, now what I want to do is save. And now I can preview my page. And here we are. Simply put, that is how you add and edit pages. Get creative, and I'll talk to you next tutorial.